Say goodbye to constant sweeping and tiring mop buckets. No more hassle, no more wasted time. Meet the Roomba Combo J9 Plus, the smart cleaner that vacuums and mops together in one seamless run. With powerful suction, precise navigation, and its auto-empty dock that empties debris and refills water automatically, it delivers spotless floors with zero effort. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Roomba Combo J9 plus Robot Vacuum and Mop and Auto Wash Dock. Extra filter, power cord, sweeping brush, dirt disposal bag, mopping pad. Grab the iRobot Roomba Combo J9 plus Robot. Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features: dual multi-surface rubber brushes, edge sweeping brush, 100% stronger, power lifting suction, and back and forth pressure, mopping keep floors clean. Straight out of the box, your Roomba Combo J9 plus Robot Vacuum and Mop will create a complete map of your home 7 times faster than before. Identifies and avoids obstacles so you don't have to pick up before you clean. And it will avoid pet messes or will replace your robot for free. This docking base is our quietest yet, so it's less disruptive to your home. And it's the only dock with storage for extra bags and mop pads. Clean with precision by choosing specific rooms or furniture, 4 levels of suction, 3 levels of liquid, or repeating cleaning passes in high-traffic areas to tackle tough messes. The iRobot promise is backed by 30 years of expertise, innovation, and responsive service. If you ever need help, we're just a phone call or email away. Specifications: how to use. Start by unboxing your Roomba Combo J9 plus Robot plus Auto Empty Dock. Remove all protective packaging, including films from the sensors and the robot's body. Attach the reusable mopping pad securely to the pad holder. Install the side brush if it isn't pre-attached, and place the extra filter in a safe spot for later use. Place the auto wash dock on a flat, hard surface against a wall, leaving enough space on each side for the robot to dock smoothly. Connect the power cord and make sure the dock is plugged into an outlet. Start an initial mapping run so your Roomba Combo J9 Plus can scan and learn your home's layout. Using Smart Mapping navigation, it quickly creates a detailed smart map that works in both bright and low light conditions. Once the map is saved in the iRobot Home app, you can personalize it by naming rooms, setting no-go zones, and choosing where to vacuum, mop, or both. How to connect. Go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and search for the iRobot Home. Download and install it on your smartphone. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection before proceeding. Press and hold the power button on top of the Roomba J9 Plus Robot until the indicator lights turn on. The robot will power up and be ready for setup. Open the app and create or log into your Roomba account. Then select Add a Robot and follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, press and hold the Home button on your Roomba J9 Plus until you hear a tone or see the Wi-Fi light blink, indicating it is ready to pair. The app will automatically detect your robot, finish the setup, and connect it to your network. Afterward, you can start, stop, schedule cleanings, customize maps, and check maintenance alerts directly from your phone. Maintenance. Remove the dustbin from the Roomba Combo J9 Plus and empty it. Wash it with water, let it dry completely, then place the filter back inside and reinstall the bin into the robot. Check the robot's dual multi-surface rubber brushes and mop pad for any buildup and ensure they are free from blockages. Finally, use the cleaning tool to clean the main brushes and the side brush, removing any tangled hair or debris. To keep your Roomba Combo J9 Plus and its auto wash dock running smoothly, start by removing the dock's cover. taking out the dust bag and replacing it with a new one. Next, pull out the cleaning tray, wash it thoroughly, let it dry completely, and then reinstall it. Make sure to clean the charging sensor as well. If debris clogs the home base charging station, unplug it and remove the robot. Tilt the station back, open the clear tubing at the bottom by loosening the screws, and clear out the debris. Reattach the tubing, tighten the screws, set the station upright, place the robot back, and plug it in again. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your iRobot Roomba Combo J9 plus Robot plus Auto Empty. See you in the next one.